Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Monese, a popular mobile banking app. But before I get into the details, I want to ask you a question. What is a virtual bank? I know that this might be a new term for some of you, so let me explain. A virtual bank is a bank that does not have any physical branches. Instead, it operates entirely online. This means that you can do all of your banking from your computer or smartphone. So, is Monese a virtual bank? The answer is yes and no. Monese does not have any physical branches, but it does have a physical address. This means that you can technically go to Monese's office, but it's not really a bank in the traditional sense. What is Monese? Monese is a mobile banking app that allows you to open a bank account and manage your money from your smartphone. Monese is available in the UK, France, Germany, Spain, and Italy. How does Monese work? To use Monese, you first need to download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have the app, you can create an account. You will need to provide your name, address, and date of birth. You will also need to take a photo of your ID. Once your account is created, you can start using Monese. You can add money to your account by bank transfer, card top-up, or cash deposit. You can also withdraw money from your account using an ATM or by transferring money to another bank account. Monese offers a variety of features, including the ability to send and receive money to other Monese users for free, the ability to send and receive money to other bank accounts, the ability to set up direct debits, the ability to track your spending, the ability to get a free MasterCard debit card. Is Monese safe? Monese is a regulated bank, so your money is safe. Monese is also protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, FSCS, which means that you are protected up to £85,000 if Monese goes bust. What are the pros and cons of using Monese? Pros. Monese is free to join and use. Monese is easy to set up and use. Monese offers a variety of features. Monese is safe and secure. Cons. Monese does not offer as many features as some other banks. Monese does not have any physical branches. Monese is not available in all countries. Is Monese right for you? Monese is a great option if you are looking for a free and easy-to-use banking app. Monese is also a good option if you are looking for a bank that offers a variety of features. However, Monese may not be the right option for you if you are looking for a bank with a lot of physical branches or a bank that is available in all countries. Monese is a virtual bank that offers a variety of features, including the ability to send and receive money to other Monese users for free, the ability to send and receive money to other bank accounts, the ability to set up direct debits, the ability to track your spending, and the ability to get a free MasterCard debit card. Monese is a safe and secure bank, and it is a great option for people who are looking for a free and easy-to-use banking app. If you are interested in learning more about Monese, please click on the link below. You can also download the Monese app from the App Store or Google Play. Thank you for watching.